Hey everyone, good evening and good morning to whoever is watching my vlog. Welcome back once again to my channel. So I am back, so me myself, aka Victoria, with another vlog capturing Pune. I have been living in Pune for about 8 months now, and this is an amazing weather to vlog, and I'm walking in the rain. So I want to do a vlog today, eating some snack from a US convenience store, which is my favorite store. Can you guess what it is? None other than 7-Eleven. Yay! So let's check out what 7-Eleven in India has to offer and what kind of snacks they have. So we will see what is in my basket, and I'm gonna vlog about it today. So stay tuned throughout my vlog and give a thumbs up, like and share if you like my video. If you like my storytelling, then yeah, do give a follow, and I will walk towards 7-Eleven now. So the goat is back. The football season is going on and the goat is back. This is the theme in the mall. So I am here at Aero Mall, which is the closest mall from the airport, and I am straight going to 7-Eleven. I will do a vlog today, getting and looking around what 7-Eleven India has to offer, because it is one of my favorite convenience, American convenience franchisee store in South Asia, Southeast Asia. So let's see what it has to offer in India. So guys, let's see. It is pretty tight. The store is pretty tight. I don't see enough space, very big. It is okay. And we will see what we can buy from the hot section, which is the instant food. They have chicken shawarma, chicken bun, chicken sausage, and what are this masala lemonade. I'm not finding it interesting. Let's see if I can get some noodles, which is my favorite. I will. Oh yeah, I will get a bulldog. Or should I get a shin ramen? Maybe I will do a bulldog. And this is the one which I am picking. And for drinks, I will pick up a Diet Coke. Yeah, that's. So they don't have a basket. This is for dessert. I got some snacks, and let's see what all they have more to offer. I don't find it interesting. Some chips. Biscuits. Yeah, that's about it. It is pretty small, and there is some ice cream. Maybe I will have an ice cream later. But let's dive into what I got for now. I will grab a seat here. So these are some of the items I got, and so guys, as you see that I have taken, the weather is awesome. It is raining outside, so I have taken a hot chocolate, a mini hot chocolate, because everything hot is it will be a nice combination. And for snack, I have taken this. Also, I have taken a favorite ramen, which is bulldog. So let's try it out together. So, you know, today it's very special day. It's also a very special weekend because it is America's 250th anniversary. I am so happy, and for the community and for the people, I am very grateful because the knowledge that I have gained from this community is incredible. Because of them, today is what I am. I have learned a lot from. I have started working my first company, so everything started from America, and today I'm very grateful that I'm able to sit at one of their franchisee and vlog this whole thing because I love convenience store. And I want to say I want to give my gratitude to the entire community. I also do love to share about my culture with them, and also I like to learn a lot. And so cheers everyone, whoever is celebrating, cheers. This noodles and is very great combination in the rain, so I am gonna enjoy my noodles. And this airport is close to the airport. Sorry, this mall is close to the airport, so the main customer is people who are just walking in, they have a flight, or people who are just leaving. So I see a lot of walking in customers who are just coming before their transit or they are waiting for their flight. It is very cool place, and I am grateful that I'm able to stay very close and come here. So let the noodle soak in a bit. And here's the hot chocolate. Let's sip the hot chocolate. It's very hot. Wow, it's so good. Fantastic. The weather outside is killing it. It was hot the past few months. However, the rain has arrived a little late, and I am just enjoying. And just want to chit chat about life, what happened. I was quiet for some time, not vlogging because I was like, traveling, understanding about things and learning so much. So I just wanted to take a break, and now I am back with my content because I feel very happy where I am. And I was everybody restart, so I restarted also in Pune. I came with a 20 kg suitcase. Now I have an entire house. I have so many things, and I am so grateful for the incredible. Again and again, I want to say this. I want to say this because I'm so grateful for the entire American community, for the people, because I learned so much from them. And kudos to everybody, my partner, my friends, like Mel, everyone, whoever I work with. It's everybody's support, and also like my dedication, so I could like achieve my life. And it's a restart. Everybody can restart at any point of life. So I had a lot of fear, I had a lot of anxiety, I had so many thoughts, but now I am back. And yeah, I'm gonna, like, this is just a chit chat about life, so I am just happy and also grateful about the people who I met in this journey. Everybody taught me something, and I really appreciate the real one who was there. So a very big shout out to the real one. yeah, I'm sipping my hot chocolate and this is my rant. So whoever stays with me gonna listen to my rant. Okay, now time to eat my noodles. It's hot. We have to eat slowly, slowly, you know. I just love it. I'm loving it. I really like this flavor of carbonara. It's much less hot and spicy than the real bulldog because if I eat that, I'm gonna jump around like a monkey. Do you think I'm a messy eater? Yeah, I don't care. I really don't care. I need some sweet. Let's try. Let's try Kinder Joy. This is gonna be nice with the hot chocolate. Yes. This is a great combo. All right. So I'm gonna finish eating, not many items because there are less variety. And then I'm gonna walk around the mall and head back home. So let's see. So cheers everybody and happy 250th anniversary. That's all I have to say in this vlog. And stay tuned for upcoming vlogs. And yeah, look forward to interaction, more talking, and making this community a bigger one. Cheers, Coca-Cola. And this is the mall. I'm really not a mall person now. I hate going to mall. Before I am just mall. Fuck. I just splashed the Coca-Cola on myself. Wow. Vlogging is really difficult, huh? kudos to people who do it so seamlessly. I just want to laugh. So I'm heading back home. It's drizzling, raining, very good weather outside as you can see. And to summarize my journey again and to the people, I came here 8 months ago with another 20 kg backpack, and I have an entire house. I have a roof above my head. I can buy things I like. I'm able to travel. I'm able to enjoy my life. So kudos to all the supporters, all the people, and yeah, together we can go miles. So that is what I want to summarize my this journey and end the vlog today, and walk and get back home because I stay pretty close to the airport, but it's raining, so I don't know what is a good option. Let me figure it out. And cheers, bye bye, see you, love you all, much love from Sumi.